How's it going, YouTube? Just added this to the collection. It's an HPI Rs4 Super Nitro. So it's an 8 scale Rs4. I've been wanting one of these for the longest. So it's got a single speed in here and a stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood, let y'all. So right now, this is how it's set up. I plan on turning this electric. I'm not sure. I really wanted a belt electric car, but I think I'm gonna ride out the Nitro for now. Might put a bigger motor. It's got a 15 in there. You know, it's belted. I didn't have one of these, so I made my own. And just started up, so I'm gonna go ahead and run it, see how it goes. But sure is a nice rig, man. Can't wait to get one, especially a belted one. It's the first belted car I got. All right, y'all. Letting the warm up right now. Nice and smooth though. Raining out here, y'all. Still trying to test this thing out. Tell you what though, it run good. Fun little rig, look good too. I think it's too lean though. Flyby. Running good though, man. I did a trade with the team associated. I forgot to mention that. I had to add a little cash, but it was worth it. Well worth it. Look at that thing. Idling, running. Alright, y'all. This is a fun little rip, man. Like this little rig. Been wanted one and I got one, so I don't know if I'm gonna turn it electric yet or what, but y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. We'll go from there. Thank y'all for tuning in. Here's the table, guys, but I also got this in the deal. I think this is a Spartan boat. I'm not sure. Got a motor in there. Gotta buy some stuff. We'll get more into that.